The MDU Finder Tool allows multi-dwelling units to be found in any area of interest in Australia. The first step to use the tool is importing the area of interest, which is the fiber path or area where you want to find MDUs. Go to the Layers menu. Select User-Defined Layers, then Import. A dialog allows a file to be chosen, which is then uploaded. Accepted file formats include KMZ, GeoPackage, Shapefile, and GeoJSON. Take note of the name of the layer, in this case, Port Melbourne. Press Confirm to load the file contents into Twinkler. Now that the area of interest is loaded, the MDU Finder tool can be selected. This brings up another dialog. Firstly, select the layer of interest that has just been uploaded, namely Port Melbourne. The buffer is the distance around the area of interest to search for MDUs. The tool always returns an Excel file containing the details of all MDUs found. Optionally, it can also place this information as new layers into Twinkler, the MDUs themselves, and the area searched. Here we select both options. After selecting OK, the Excel file is downloaded. The Excel file contains details of each multi-dwelling unit, including the number of addresses seen in the MDU, the land usage category, such as commercial or residential, the street address and coordinates. After the map is refreshed in the project panel, the two new layers are loaded. The Port Melbourne area of interest is now accompanied by the MDU layer and buffer layer. The MDU addresses can also be displayed.